When you hear about the ROG Ally X, the first thing you want to know is simple. How does it play games? This device was built to give you a powerful gaming experience in a handheld form, and it does not disappoint. The moment you boot it up and jump into a modern AAA title, you feel the power running inside this small machine. Games run smoothly, and frame rates stay steady even at high settings. Whether you're exploring massive open worlds, racing through intense tracks, or fighting, in competitive shooters, the ROG Ally X gives you the speed and detail you want. It feels like carrying a gaming laptop in your hands, but with the freedom to move anywhere. The controls add a lot to the experience. The buttons, triggers, and joysticks feel natural, solid, and accurate. There's no lag when you press a button, and movements respond instantly on screen. The handheld layout makes long gaming sessions comfortable, and the textured grip keeps it secure even when your hands get warm. Portable devices often struggle to balance power with comfort, but this one finds a sweet spot. Playing for hours does not feel like a compromise. You get a premium gaming feel without being tied to a desk. Performance is where the Ally X shines the most. Inside, it carries upgraded hardware compared to the first Ally, and that boost is clear in games. It handles heavy titles that demand strong GPUs and CPUs, giving you consistent results without stutters. For competitive players, frame stability is key, and the Ally X is made to deliver just that. Even indie games and older titles load quickly and run smoothly, which makes the device versatile for any kind of gaming mood. Also means you don't deal with overheating during long play sessions. You hear the fans working, but they are quieter than expected. Keeping the device cool without distracting from your game, the display takes the gaming to another level. The screen is sharp, bright, and smooth. Fast refresh rates make every movement fluid, so when you're in action-heavy games, you never feel behind. Colors are vivid and details are crisp, letting you fully enjoy the art and design of each world. Even outdoors or in bright rooms, the screen remains clear, which is a big plus for a handheld. Many portable devices lose brightness in sunlight, but the Ally X holds up. It makes portable gaming practical in more places, not just indoors. Audio is just as important for immersion, and the speakers on the Ally X do a solid job. You hear clear mids and highs, and the bass feels fuller than expected for a handheld device. Explosions, footsteps, and dialogue all stand out, letting you react faster in competitive games and enjoy more in story-driven ones. Of course, serious players might still prefer using headphones for the best detail and positional audio. But the built-in sound system is strong enough for casual play. It creates a cinematic feel when you're gaming on the go. Battery life has improved compared to the earlier version, and that makes a huge difference. One of the biggest concerns for portable gaming devices is how long you can play before needing a charger. The Ally X can last for several hours depending on what you play and the performance mode you choose. Lighter games and balanced settings give you more time, while heavy AA titles naturally drain faster. Still, the jump in efficiency means you don't feel as limited as before. Fast charging support also helps when you need a quick top-up. Plug it in for a short time, you're ready for another long session. When it comes to design and build, the ROG Ally X feels premium. It has a sleek, modern shape that stands out without being flashy. The build quality is solid, with no weak points or cheap plastics. The buttons and triggers are firm and the device feels sturdy in hand. At the same time, it is not too heavy for its size, which is important for handheld gaming. Asus has managed to balance strength with comfort. Giving you a device that looks sharp and performs like a flagship, the software experience is another highlight. The interface is smooth, clear, and made with gamers in mind. Switch in between your game library, settings, and performance modes feels natural. You can tune the system to your needs, whether you want maximum power or longer battery life. Updates run quietly in the background, and everything feels optimized for the hardware. This makes the Ally X more than just a handheld, it feels like a personal gaming hub in your pocket. Connectivity is also well covered, You have fast Wi-Fi for online play, Bluetooth for controllers or headphones, and ports for charging and external displays. This means you can use the Ally X as more than a handheld. Connect it to a monitor or TV, and it works like a mini gaming PC. Pair it with accessories, and the possibilities grow even further. For players who want flexibility, this kind of setup is valuable. It lets one device cover many roles, from travel gaming to home console replacement. When we talk about value, the Ally X is not the cheapest handheld on the market. But considering the power inside, the design quality, and the smooth gaming experience, the price feels fair. This is not a device built to cut corners. It is built to give you premium portable gaming without limits. For people who want console-level or even PC-level power in a handheld, the Ally X delivers that promise. It is an investment, but one that pays off in performance and versatility. Of course, no device is perfect. The Ally X has its pros and cons. On the positive side, you get strong performance. A great screen, solid audio, better battery life, and a premium design. It feels like the most complete version of a gaming handheld so far. On the downside, the price will be high for some players. And heavy AAA gaming still drains the battery faster than many would like. The fans, while quieter than before, can still be noticeable in intense play. And as with any handheld PC, you sometimes face the challenge of optimizing games for portable use. In the end, the ROG Ally X proves that portable gaming does not have to mean compromise. It combines the power of a gaming laptop with the convenience of a handheld, giving players a true hybrid experience. It is made for people who want to take serious gaming anywhere without losing quality. If you value performance, design, and flexibility, this device is one of the strongest choices in 2025. This has been Tap Tech, where we bring you real talk on the latest devices. If you love gaming and want to stay ahead on tech, you're in the right place. Thanks for watching Tap Tech. Stay tuned, stay sharp, and keep gaming anywhere.